To enable high heart rate alert on Galaxy Watch when using continuous or 10-minute monitoring, you can do so directly from your watch setting menu and from the Wearable app on your phone. As the example, we will do so from the Wearable app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. On your phone, go to the app screen, find Wearable app and then tap it. Tap watch setting. Next, tap heart. Under measurement section, tap heart rate and then select measure continuously or every 10 minutes. As the example, we will select every 10 minutes. When selected, the high heart rate alert option will be available. Tap the gray on off switch next to Hight HR until the switch turns blue to turn it on. If needed, you can adjust the ppm threshold. To do so, tap the Hight HR. Set the threshold. By default, it's set to 120 ppm, but you can adjust it based on your need. As the example, if you are generally fit and your resting heart rate is lower, you can set it between 100 to 110 ppm. To save the change, tap the button. With this setting, your watch will alert you if your heart rate stays above the selected level for 10 minutes at rest. Given to the function, you can use this feature if you want to keep an eye of your heart health, especially during period of rest. It can help you spot unusual spike early and stay informed about your overall well-being. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.